Hi, this is Marianne Fessenden, and I am going to be telling you how to install your computer on, how to install your program on What Do You Want to Know Wednesday. So it's kind of rainy outside, so you're not going to get anybody standing out in a field and doing exciting things and drawing on cows. I get to show you how you would install your program. So I'm going to share my computer screen. And here I am on our home page. If I wanted to install our program on my computer, what I would need to do is either go to Start Free Trial or AMTS Downloads. So I'll go to Start Free Trials, and I want to download AMTS.farm.cattle and small ruminants. So it's going to take a little bit of time here. This is our download center. You would be able to find Growing Cattle, Feed Bank Manager, Mix-a-Lot, users manuals, and quick start guides to download here. Anytime you have a reinstall on your computer, you can come here and you can download the latest version. So now that it has completed, we'll go ahead and launch the program. And let's get it installed. Next. These are all the things you should agree to, and just click through. You can make changes if you need to, but I do not need to. Okay, and finish it. So now if I go to my desktop, I can see that it installed a shortcut and click to open. So first thing it does is it tells me on my trial I have 30 days, and it's asking for a license key. I could go ahead and continue to the program. Every time I open it, subsequently, until I activate my license, it's going to ask for a license key. So I'm just going to bring up my license key. I'll show you how you can do that. I've logged into my AMTS account, and I've gone to the dashboard and subscriptions. I have a lot of subscriptions because I do the documentation, and I create a lot of different accounts so that I can show things from a fresh perspective. So for this one, I'm looking for my license right here that expires on January 1st, and I'm just going to copy this license key and then go back to my program and paste, and then put in my email address. Double check and make sure everything's right, and activate the license. And it tells me that I've used my last permission on this license, so I'm going to say okay. I'm going to skip through downloading these new feed banks just because I want this to be quick. And I can go ahead and open my farm. And these farms were saved in my OneDrive, so they are automatically there. So there you go. That's how you would download and install the program. Now, if you get a box that asks for your user's ID, if you don't remember that, you can literally put anything in there, and then when you go to your feed screen, you can determine what your user ID is if this were a farm that I had created, but it's not. So this is going to show me that Sam was the original creator, and it's giving me that user ID. So thanks very much for listening. Come back next week. What do you want to know? Wednesday, we'll hopefully be outside if we have some good weather. So thanks, everybody. Bye.